Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make no yeast, no baking soda appam. This is a very delicious recipe with no compromise in the regular taste of the appams. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have soaked 3 cups of raw rice. Now drain off the water and add the rice to a mixer jar. To this add half cup of water and grind it well. Then to this add 1 cup of steamed rice. You can go with any variety of rice. Then add 1 cup of grated coconut. Grind it well again. Transfer the ground batter to a vessel like this. Now heat a pan and to this add 2 ladle full of the batter and half cup of water. Keep the flame in low and stir well continuously. Now it has started to thicken up, mix it well. Now it's nice and thick, so off the flame and allow it to cool completely. When it's nice and cool, add it to the batter and mix it well. Make sure no lumps are formed. It's all well mixed and ready now, so close it with a lid and let this rest for 6 hours. It's been 6 hours, so let's open and check. The appam batter is well fermented. To this add a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well. Now our appam batter is ready, so let's go and make the appams. Heat a appam pan and pour in a ladle full of the appam batter. Spread it well. Close it with a lid and let this cook for 15 seconds. It's been 15 seconds, so let's now open and check. Our appams are nicely done, so let's now remove it. Now our delicious and soft appam is ready. You can serve this with either coconut milk and sugar or with some chicken and egg masala. Very easy, delicious and a healthy breakfast recipe. So do try this no yeast, no baking soda appam recipe at your home and write back to me a feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.